What is the product of the least common multiple of 70 and 25 with the greatest common divisor? Ben.
2, 4, 50.
I'm sorry, that's incorrect.
So the first answer is incorrect. So try natin yung sagutan to. Okay, yung first muna is kunin natin yung LCM. Yung LCM or yung least common multiple ni 70 at saka ni 25. Okay. So yung gagawin natin is kukunin natin yung prime factors. Pag sinabi nating prime numbers, yung number na prime is meron siyang factors na itself at saka 1. For example, yung 7. 7 is a prime factor because yung factors niya lang are 7 at saka yung 1. 1 tsaka itself. Unlike doon sa iba number na hindi siya prime, meron tayong tinatawag, halimbawa, for example, 8. Si 8 more than, meron si 8 marami siyang factor like 4, 4 times 2, 4 times 2. So, 4, 2. Meron ka ng 4 at 2. Tapos, meron ka pang 8 times 1. So, meron ka ng 4, 2, 8, 1. So, hindi lamang yung number itself at saka yung one yung factor niya kundi marami pa. So ito yung kailangan natin. Kunin natin yung prime factors ni 70 at saka ni 25. In this case, pwede itong 7 is a prime factor, tapos 5, tapos 2. Kasi 2 times 5, 7 times 5, that is 30. 35, times 2, that is 70. Okay, so ito yung prime factors ni 70. Para naman kay 25, meron tayo ritong 5 at saka 5. Or simply, 5 squared. Kasi ito, may exponent ito na 1, meron dito exponent na 1. Ito, meron ito exponent na 1, at saka exponent na 1. Now, paano natin makukuha yung LCM? Yung gagawin natin is kukunin muna natin yung mga factors na kung saan sila yung may pinakamataas na um, exponent. Okay. Kung manonotice ninyo, si 7 is the only 7 dito. So, 7 lang siya. Tapos, si 2 is the only 2. So, kunin natin siya. Pero in this case, meron tayong 5 dito at saka 5 square dito. So, ano yung kukunin natin? Sabi ko nga, yung kukunin ninyo is yung may pinakamataas na exponent. In this case, tandaan niya, pareho silang 5 at 5. So, yung gagawin natin is kukunin natin yung may pinakamataas na exponent, which in this case is 5 squared. Now, simplify natin ito. 7 times 2 times 5 squared, that is 25. Multiply 7 para madali lang ha. Ito, 2 times 5, that is 50. So, 7 times 50, that is 350. So, yung LCM ni 70 at ni 25 is si 350. Now, hindi pa tayo tapos kasi kukunin pa natin yung greatest common divisor ni 35. So, ano yung greatest common divisor ni 35 at saka ni 25? Okay, so same process lang din. Kunin natin yung prime factors ni 35. So, merong 7 at saka 5. Kay 25, merong 5 at saka 5. Or simply, we can write this one as 5 squared kasi may dalawang 5. Okay, now, paano natin makukuha yung LCM? Okay, so itong si 7, wala na to kasi wala naman siyang ka-common. Okay? Ito naman, si 5, may ka-common siya na 5 din. Pero sa which is yung kukunin natin? Saan yung kukunin natin? Is yung 5 squared ba or yung 5? Take note, kapag GCD, yung kukunin natin is yung may pinaka-less na exponent. So, ibig sabihin, ito yung kukunin natin. So, yung GCD ni 35 at saka ni 25 is 5. Now, pwede na natin, kasi meron na tayong LCM, meron na rin tayong GCD. So, yung imumultiply na natin si 350 at saka si 5. So, 350 times 5, that is 1,750. That's why yung sagot is 1,750. Easy peasy, right?
Rohan.
1750.
That is the correct answer. We're on the board.